Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first Boxycharm unboxing. I'm pretty excited. It took me a hot minute to subscribe to this because at first I thought it was a whole bunch of like sample sizes and I really wasn't into it, but it's actually 5 full-size products that they send you for $21 a month. I decided to go ahead and give it and subscribe to it, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox my very first one on camera. I might do it for monthly thereafter, but I'm not quite sure yet. I just for sure knew that I wanted to film my first one on camera. That way you guys could also see at the same time as I saw what I got in my box. I obviously haven't opened it. It's still sealed. There's still a sticker on here. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first, excuse my situation going on right here. I need to like straighten out my hair, and yeah, I just didn't have time to do it yet. But anyway, so this is my Boxycharm box. As you can see, it's still sealed, so I'm just gonna take my scissors and open it. Feels kind of heavy. Not everybody gets the exact same products. I think that there's like a couple or a few products in the box that are the same for everyone, but then everybody else gets like different products. So you never really know what you're gonna get. So anyway, yeah. So let's see. I'm excited. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It looks really cute. And let's see. So the first product I see here is this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. This is what it looks like. Excuse my nails. I'm not sure it's focusing. And let's just open it. So this is in the shade Stunner. And this, I believe, is like one of the products that everybody did get in their Boxycharm. Oh, I just dropped the box. So it's just a liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the back of my hand because I want to see. I want to see if I like it or not. It's kind of thick. Oh, that's definitely, well, yeah, it's definitely like a highlighter. I haven't really heard much about this in the past, but I'm going to leave it on the back of my hand just to see how it dries, and we'll check on it later. But yeah, that's the first product. And then the second product that I see here is, this is the brand Adis. I'm not sure if I'm saying that wrong. But this is high definition liquid lipstick. So let's see what this shade is. I honestly don't think I've seen what other people have gotten. So I've never heard of this brand, by the way. Let me know if you guys have and if it's a good brand or not, but I'm not sure. Okay, first of all, this is huge. This is like jumbo size. Let me get another one just so you guys can see compared to another one. This is huge. Hold on. So I just grabbed one of my ColourPop liquid lipsticks so you guys can kind of see compared to it. But this is like really big next to it. I don't know if you guys can tell really, but that's really, this is like really thick. But anyway, as far as the shade goes, I actually really like it. I love shades like this. Let's see. This applicator, I'm actually not a big fan of, to be honest with you. I kind of like more of the doe foot applicator ones. These are just kind of like flat, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna put like a swatch on the back of my hand. It almost looks like a gloss. So that's the shade right there. I'm not sure you guys can tell. It's actually a really pretty shade, to be honest with you. Again, I'm gonna leave it on the back of my hand so we can come back to it and see how it dried. But it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick. It doesn't say matte, so I don't know if it's just gonna stay glossy like that, which I wouldn't mind. It looks really glossy, so I feel like it's not a matte. Next, so the next thing I see is this Pores No More vacuum cleaner. That's funny. It's a pore purifying mask from Dr. Brandt. I have heard really good things about this brand before, so this is pretty exciting. It says it is for oily / combination skin. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to the areas of concern. Avoid the eyes. And I wonder if this is just like a black mask or what. Let's see. I'm gonna open it. So it looks like a clear. I'm excited for this. If you guys saw my last video, you guys heard me talking about how I've been breaking out a lot, and I don't know if you can tell I have like a little like pimple right there, but it's finally healing or whatever. So I got a whole bunch of stuff to put on my skin, but I'm always up to try a new mask, so that's exciting. So next, let's see, I got this ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and let's open it because I don't know what shades come in this one. This is a really cute palette, and ooh, this is actually really pretty. This is what the palette looks like, and I have been a fan of ColourPop palettes. If you guys saw one of my favorites videos, I did mention that I was really into Kathleen Light's ColourPop collab she did. I think it's like the Dream Street palette. And so I have been wanting to try more of their ColourPop palettes. I have the Guess Please palette, which honestly I've only tried like once or twice. I did like it, but not enough to say if it's really, really good or not. So I'm just gonna like swatch some of these. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's see. Put this on the back of my hand. Ooh. It's like a very unique color. I would have never thought of that color. This one's kind of interesting. This one right here. It's like a brown, but it has like a little bit of like rose gold specks inside of it. So this is a swatch for that one right there. This one didn't really swatch well, so I don't know. So this was the fourth product in the box, and then last but not least, I got the Brow Gal Instant Light Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So this is what the product looks like. And I think this is one of the products that everybody did get in their Boxycharm. I'm not really a big fan of tinted brow gels, but I won't mind using it just to see if I do like it. I usually like to stick with clear brow gels, but we'll see. I will try it at least once. And then that's it. That's all I have in my Boxycharm. And then it does come with this little insert right here. Let's see. There's a 10% off an order of Tarte. And then what else? So it kind of basically has like all the products listed on here, and it tells you how much each product actually costs. So I'm about to list off what the actual prices of each product would have cost. So the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter runs for $29. The ColourPop Element of Surprise Eyeshadow Palette is usually $16, which is this one right here. And then Dr. Brandt Pores No More's Vacuum Cleaner Mask, it usually is $47. So that's pretty expensive. I want to see if this 1 ounce is actually $47 or just like a bigger sizes. I'm about to look it up on my phone. But the Brow Gal Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel usually is $22. And then the lipstick runs for $24. And so, I mean, obviously if you add all of that up, it definitely is more than $21. And then, yeah, that's it. So I want to look up just really quickly if these products are actually what it says they are. Alright guys, so I'm looking up the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner on Sephora website. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So that actually does say it is a 1 ounce or 30 grams, does run for $42, and that is what this is. And it actually has really good reviews on Sephora. So yeah. And I'm pretty sure that this ColourPop does run for $16. That's how much usually the palettes are. ColourPop is a really inexpensive brand. And let's see. So I'm just going to go ahead and add up all of the products and see how much I would have spent if I bought it separately. So it's 29 plus 16 plus 47 plus 22 plus 24. So that's $138, and I only paid obviously $21. So yeah, I mean, when you look at it like that, it definitely is a good deal. So the deal with this is obviously you want to make sure you're actually using the products that you get in your Boxycharm, because if you're not, then it's a waste of money. But if you are, then you're actually saving a lot of money, and you get a chance to try out new products that maybe you wouldn't have bought otherwise. So what I want to do is go ahead and try out or see if I'm able to use these products as much as I can into my next Boxycharm box, and that way when I go ahead and get that box, I'm gonna go ahead and film it, and I want to tell you guys if I did use the products, what I did like for my last Boxycharm, and what I'm getting in my new one. Tell me if you guys like that idea. Tell me if you guys like this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm gonna touch this really quickly because I want to see if this dried off. So this one definitely did dry. This is definitely a gloss. So It's actually really nice. I'm actually pretty excited for the gloss because it is summer coming up and sometimes you do want a glossy lip. So I think I'm actually going to put this on over what I have on right now. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like the idea that I gave you of me letting you guys know if I liked my previous products from my Boxycharm and showing you guys what I'm getting in my new one, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you are subscribed to Boxycharm, how long you've been subscribed, and if you enjoy it. If you find that you're actually using the products that are sent to you. I'm actually genuinely excited about all of the products that I got today, which makes me really happy, and I'm really going to try to use each and every product from now into my next Boxycharm so I can tell you guys what I thought, if I like them, if they're actually good products. Also, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to share it. Let me know in the comments, that way I know to continue to film these types of videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.